As Meridian, Idaho continues to grow into a hub of modern living with a touch of suburban charm, homeowners are looking for ways to enhance both the aesthetic and functionality of their properties. One standout architectural feature gaining popularity is the custom bow window, a curved, elegant, and light-enhancing window style that adds a sophisticated edge to any modern home. If you're considering a unique window upgrade, here's why custom bow window designs are a perfect fit for modern Meridian homes and how they can transform your space. What is a bow window? A bow window is a set of 4 or more windows that are joined together to form a gentle, outward curve from the exterior wall. Unlike bay windows, which typically have 3 angled sections, bow windows provide a more rounded and panoramic appearance. They are ideal for homeowners who want to maximize natural light, expand their interior space, create a focal point in a room, showcase outdoor views in style. Custom bow windows take this classic concept a step further, allowing you to choose the size, material, glass type, and finishes that match your home's contemporary look. Sleek, modern aesthetics. Meridian's modern homes often feature clean lines, open spaces, and large windows, and a custom bow window complements this style perfectly. With their soft curves and expansive glass panels, bow windows create a dramatic architectural statement while maintaining a minimalist design. Custom options allow you to tailor your window with slim, low-profile frames for a sleek finish, matte black, white, or aluminum trim, glass options with modern tints or coating, unique grid patterns or frameless glass for added elegance. The result: a custom bow window that looks like it was made just for your home, because it was. Flood your home with natural light. Modern interiors prioritize natural lighting, and bow windows deliver it in abundance. Their wide configuration allows sunlight to stream in from multiple angles, brightening your living space and reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Perfect for living rooms, dining areas, or home offices, bow windows help create a warm, inviting environment that feels open and energized, ideal for Meridian's sunny seasons. Create functional space with built-in seating or storage. Custom bow windows not only enhance your home's appearance, they also expand its usable space. The outward projection can be turned into a cozy window seat with cushions and throw pillows, built-in bookshelves or cabinets beneath the window, a plant display to bring the outdoors in. This added functionality blends perfectly with modern open-concept layouts, giving you extra room without a full renovation. Energy efficiency and comfort for Meridian's climate. Meridian homeowners face both warm summers and cold winters, making energy efficiency a top priority. Fortunately, modern custom bow windows are built with advanced materials and technologies to help regulate indoor temperatures year-round. Look for double or triple pane glass, low emissivity coating, argon gas fills for added insulation, tightly sealed, weather-resistant frames, These features help reduce your utility bills while keeping your home comfortable and draft-free through every season. Personalization for any room. One of the best things about custom bow windows is their versatility. They can be tailored to fit virtually any room or design style in your home. Popular placement options include living rooms for dramatic curb appeal and scenic views, dining areas for an elegant ambiance, bedrooms for a private sitting area or reading nook, home offices to inspire creativity with light and space. With customizable shapes, sizes, and finishes, you can design a bow window that seamlessly blends with the modern look of your Meridian home. Final thoughts. Elevate your home with custom bow windows. Custom bow window designs offer a unique way to blend style, light, and function in your Meridian home. Whether you're aiming to modernize your space, improve energy efficiency, or simply make a bold design statement, a custom bow window is a smart and stunning investment. Work with a trusted local window specialist to explore design options, select the right materials, and bring your vision to life. The result will be a brighter, more beautiful home, inside and out.